Good morning, everyone. All right, let's try something. Everybody go ahead and stand up for me. Everybody stand up. Okay, so on Friday I had to present to a group of principals from around the state, and I started off, I had them stand up, and I was like, and they all listened to me, and I was like, I wonder if I can get the students to do that. So thank you for proving you guys listened to me, so thank you. Go ahead and have a seat. All right, so this week is Thanksgiving. So what I want you to think of, first of all, and I don't want you to say this out loud right now, but I want you to think of somebody in your life that you want to say thank you to. Maybe it's somebody in this room. Hold on, I said quietly, don't do it right now. Maybe it's somebody at home. Maybe it's somebody you have to text. Maybe you have to pick up the phone and call this person. But I just want you to give a little gratitude to that person. If it's a teacher in your life and you're like, hey, thank you for what you did, do so, but do it meaningful. What I'm gonna thank everybody in this room for right now is making Winslow High School the best high school in the state of Maine. And I can't do that alone. And I can say that because I was just at a conference, like I said, with a bunch of principals from around the state of Maine. And I'm telling you guys are awesome. When I hear other people talk about their schools, yeah, they think that they have the best high school in the state of Maine. As I told them when I started my presentation on Friday, I know I'm right when I say we have the best high school, so thank you. Alrighty, I'm going to call Mr. Burgoyne for an important recognition.
At this time, can I have the girls' soccer team please stand up? They were recognized by their peer schools for the Northern Maine Class B Sportsmanship Award. That's great, especially when you have 9 wins in the season. They have super season on the field and off the field too. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Burgoyne. Alrighty, at the Tech Center a couple weeks ago, some of our students were recognized. First of all, Liam McPherson in Construction Technology. He was named Student of the Month. Liam, stand up. Be recognized. And Jameson Delisle for CTE Academy. Stand up, Jameson. Who can tell me how many programs at the Tech Center? What's the total number? 17? It's not 7. 10? 7? 7? 18. Okay, does anybody really know? Alright, so here's what I do know. They started giving out quarterly awards over there called the Work Performance Award. Winslow High School got 5 of those total. 5. Which out of the 4 high schools, I'm going to say that's the most for one school. So, Work Performance Award, awarded to for Construction Technology, Seth Bar. CTE Academy, Harley Raymond. Early Childhood, Allie Small. Outdoor Leadership, Megan Mahoney. precision machining, Corey Foshin. So 5 of the 14 programs, winners from Winslow High School. Again, who's the greatest high school in the state of Maine? I didn't hear anybody say another school, so we'll go with Winslow. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you for making me look good when you go over there. All right. The moment we all came for. Student of the Month. I want to hear a huge round of applause for the freshman teachers. Freshman teachers, come on down.
Okay, December Freshman Student of the Month. By the way, if you were just in my last class, I lied. Bubbly, pleasant, and kind are all words that describe this Student of the Month. In classes, she is on task and hardworking and brings enthusiasm to the work that she does. She's a good teammate, supports peers on the field and in the classroom. Congratulations to Maria Memorial.
All right, let's hear it for the sophomore teachers. Anybody? I'm gonna drop the mic. Somebody.
Are we gonna sing? All right, this member of our community is a mature, welcoming presence at Winslow High School. They're always friendly and helpful to their peers. They strive to go above and beyond expectations in the classroom and in extracurricular endeavors. Their meticulous work ethic has propelled them to high achievement in honors geometry. Their passion for theater and their exceptional preparation for their part allowed them to shine in a lead role in the musical. Nevertheless, they were humble in their review of the show on Black Raider News. This student invests not only in their success when they have to, but they pursue interest voluntarily, such as working in the art room even when not required to. Perhaps best of all, this busy member of our community finds time to be there for others. Please join me in congratulating this month's Sophomore Student of the Month, Max Willigar.
All right, junior teachers, come on down.
For the junior class, this student of the month is very caring, responsible, respectful member of the student body. This student tackles challenges with humor and persistence. They often fly under the radar, but you may have seen them in drama and in the Black Raider News. They are a valued student, and we are very proud of Austin Jordan.
And last but certainly not least, let's hear it for the senior teachers.
We live in a social media driven world where it seems everyone is trying to impress others and earn likes or views. It is rare that humbleness and modesty exists as one of the most prevailing features of a person's character. Our new student of the month is a young lady who, although quiet, modest, and humble, is a stalwart of an individual with qualities and talents to share that even she hasn't discovered yet. Her schoolwork speaks for itself, as anyone can realize by looking at her grades on Infinite Canvas. But what about her as a person? What many may not see is an engaging, kind, and empathetic person who actually has an impeccable sense of humor, as shown by how she laughs at her teacher's lame jokes, for example. She has an intrinsic ability to care, and it is evidenced in both her writing and conversations just how important family and friends are to her. Additionally, she is known as a phenomenal Lego builder and loves peppermint candies. Please join me in congratulating this month's Senior Student of the Month, Addie Salenpa.
Congratulations again to all of our students of the month. Make sure our 4 students of the month, you come down and get your picture taken for the wall. One last reminder, I did give everybody a homework assignment at the beginning of this assembly. Reach out to the person you want to say thank you to and acknowledge what they do for you on a daily basis. So with that being said, have a great day. You're headed back to home.